As an intern here at SDL, I really appreciated.
I think my favorite thing about interning here,
What I enjoy most here at SDL,
Probably the top 3 things about this internship.
I really love it. I love being here. I love the people that work here and things that we're working on, and I would love to continue my career either at SDL or just in the aerospace field.
We also have a very tight-knit group of interns here. There's about a dozen of us or so, and so we're also very supportive of each other. We always do things together outside of work. We've went on nature trips, we've been kayaking, we've done all these things around Logan, and so they're amazing.
As an intern here at SDL, I really appreciated seeing my work being used in a meaningful way. The nonprofit field of SDL was definitely one of the main reasons why I wanted to work here, and also a perfect transition for someone who is in grad school and used to a lot of research.
What I enjoy most here at SDL is the faculty, especially my team. They're always here to help me. If I have questions, they're always there to answer. They always know where to direct me.
Just a pretty place to be, a very beautiful place in Utah. There's so much to do. There's boating and hiking and rock climbing and all the outdoor activities that I really enjoy that the mountains bring. If someone was to think about doing an internship at SDL, I would highly recommend it.